per Timothy chapter 3, Titus chapter 1, I'll say, I'm sorry, you can't be an elder.
Yeah.
Elder must be, but I actually would not say polygamy is inherently sinful.
Yeah. So here is the thing. So we're categorizing polygamy as the exception to the rule in the same way that we're categorizing interracial marriage as the exception to the rule. The issue with this, Joe, is when you look at the New Testament scripture, there are prescriptions for someone in leadership. Yes, but those are prescriptions for anybody. That's an elder, deacon. That's how all Christian men
all Christians should be. An elder must be.
Yes. And so they should be one woman men. So now what you're doing is with polygamy, it is permitted, but then it's clearly clarified in the New Testament that this is not a prescription. This is not okay because we see evidence of that. The same thing for Rahab's lying. We're not going to say.
Yeah, it's very different. You just see it explicit in the New Testament, which again is our marching orders. That is how we're meant to live. Yes, you have Old Testament examples, but we're meant to live by the instructions of the New Testament with the apostles, right? Again, because he's not dispensationalist and he doesn't really recognize that. But the New Testament very clearly clarifies that over and over again. You never see any sort of prescription or requirement or any sort of regulation for interracial marriages, or mixed racial marriages or homoracial marriages.